Are you looking for the best telescopes? In this video we will look at some of the best telescopes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Skywatcher Classic Dobsonian 8-inch. This telescope model comes with a 2-inch focuser and 1.25-inch adapter that allows viewers to choose between either eyepiece size. The forearm secondary mirror bracket helps cut down on light loss and diffraction spikes. Plus, this model includes a 950 findoscope and a tension control handle. Number 2. Orion Skyquest XT6 Classic Dobsonian Telescope Kit. This portable telescope pick offers a stable mount, a 1.25-inch 25mm eyepiece, and a red dot sight to help accurately view the planets. The telescope comes with a stargazer guide and moon map for amateurs to easily make new discoveries. Number 3. Celestron Nextar 130. For an expansive view of the cosmos, this computerized telescope pick features a Newtonian reflector optical design with a 130mm aperture that lets you see the clouds around Jupiter and the surface of the moon in great detail. This model also comes with a database that allows you to track 40,000 galaxies, stars, and more, is Wi-Fi compatible, and comes with interactive sky simulation software. Yet it's still compact enough to easily pack on family trips. Number 4. Celestron FirstScope Telescope and FirstScope Accessory Kit. The Celestron FirstScope telescope's 12.5mm eyepiece helps increase magnification to 24 times, while the 6mm eyepiece offers a magnification of 50 times, allowing you to observe the planet's features. The 524 findoscope helps you locate your favorite celestial bodies. Best of all, it's easy to transport, so you can explore wherever you are.